In this video, we're going to cover how we can create custom clutter in SOOTHSAYER. This allows us to create obstacles that will be used in our calculations. In this example, we have some temporary seating at a horse guards parade. By running a calculation, we can see that these temporary obstacles are not stored within the building's dataset. Therefore, we're going to use custom clutter to add them. To do this, we first of all need to enable Engineer mode. Then select the Draw Obstacles button. Obstacles can be manually drawn in or imported in as a KML or GeoJSON file. To draw obstacles, press the left mouse key to place points and use the right mouse key to close the shape. Pressing the Push Clutter button will save this obstacle for use in future calculations. For the next obstacle, I'm going to apply a different object type. By doing this, once uploaded, I can apply different parameters for height and attenuation. The parameters of custom obstacles can be altered via the Clutter Profile Manager. In the My Obstacles section in the right-hand side, the height, attenuation, and name of each obstacle can be typed in to suit the obstacles which have been imported. Once updated, I'm going to save this as a new environment profile. With My Obstacles turned on, I'm now going to use the Path Profile tool to ensure that these obstacles are being incorporated into our calculations. By running the Path Profile tool through these obstacles, I can see that they correlate to the height set in the environment profile. I'm now going to do two error calculations. First of all, turning My Obstacles off, we can see that the obstacle isn't taken into account. Turning My Obstacles on and rerunning calculation, we can clearly see that the obstacle is affecting our coverage. Custom obstacles can also be added as a KML or GeoJSON file. This is useful for large datasets or more complex structures. These custom obstacles are saved in the same format as previously by pressing Push Clutter. Using the Path tool and having My Obstacles turned on, we can see that these obstacles are recognized in the Path profile. We can also see that changing the environment profile also changed the height and attenuation of these obstacles. To delete custom obstacles, we can open the environment library and then select Destroy All Obstacles.